Oregano oil, a health powerhouse. Oregano oil isn't just a tasty addition to your pasta sauce. It's also a powerhouse of health benefits that have been cherished for centuries. From boosting your immune system to relieving respiratory issues, this aromatic oil has got your back. If you're tired of relying on synthetic drugs and chemicals, oregano oil might just be your new best friend. It's packed with natural compounds like carvacrol and thymol that possess antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a potent weapon against infections. In today's video, we'll explore the benefits of oregano oil and how to take it. 1. It boosts the immune system. Oregano oil is rich in antioxidants that help boost the immune system. It also contains carvacrol and thymol, two compounds that have powerful antimicrobial properties. These compounds work together to fight off harmful pathogens and keep the body healthy. 2. Relieves respiratory infections. Oregano oil is an effective natural remedy for respiratory infections such as the flu, colds, and bronchitis. The antimicrobial properties of the oil helps to fight off the viruses and bacteria that cause these infections, while its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. 3. Helps with digestive issues. Oregano oil has been used for centuries to help with digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It contains carvacrol, which has been shown to have a positive effect on the digestive system. It helps to stimulate the production of digestive juices, which aid in the digestion of food. 4. Improves skin health. Oregano oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that make it an effective treatment for skin conditions such as acne, psoriasis, and eczema. It can also be used to treat fungal infections such as athlete's foot and nail fungus. 5. It reduces inflammation. Oregano oil has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This makes it an effective natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and allergies. 6. It fights off infections. Oregano oil has potent antimicrobial properties that make it an effective treatment for infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It has been shown to be effective against a wide range of pathogens, including E. coli, Salmonella, Candida, Staphylococcus aureus. Oregano oil can be taken orally or applied topically to the skin. 1. Oral use. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil such as olive oil or coconut oil and swallow it. Take oregano oil capsules as directed on the label. 2. Topical use. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. Add a few drops of oregano oil to your bath water. The typical recommended amount of oregano oil ranges from 30 to 60 milligrams per day. To ensure proper usage, always follow the instructions provided on the packaging. While oregano oil is generally safe for most people to use, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Oregano oil should not be taken by pregnant or breastfeeding women. Oregano oil should not be given to children under the age of 6. Oregano oil may interact with certain medications, so it's important to talk to your doctor before taking it. With its many health benefits, oregano oil is a valuable addition to any natural medicine cabinet.